What's up guys, Blake's hiding. But we're working on his BMW, swapping out these boring 5 Series taillights for some...
I haven't given up on this car yet. I'm just gonna mod it out.
Where's the exciting ones, dude?
Oh, over here. You all ready? Best part's peeling off the plastic. Oh yeah. Gonna black this car out.
All right, we're gonna do this. All right, there's all those out.
So this new one already has bulbs, correct? I imagine it would.
We'll find out, I hope so.
Yeah. Pretty sure it is.
All right.
That was too easy.
Super dusty. Let me see, do you have the little rubber piece? Oh, I got it right here. You're gonna wipe it down?
Clean it.
Just disconnected the ground. There's no space for the ground on this thing. Make sure you put the little rubber corner in the rubber. Slide
Oh, it's
it in.
important to put the rubber on.
Oh, sorry.
It's a near perfect fit.
Just about.
Hell yeah.
Alright, I just had to clip off one of the little tabs, the second tab here, on the factory harness to make it plug straight in, and everything works. So I'm gonna tighten this up, we'll do the other side, and test them again.
I don't know why I didn't do this before.
Bird nest in here, a couple tarantulas. Peel it. Peel it.
Want to peel this one? Doing all the work.
It's all good, dude.
It's really satisfying.
It's your
Right.
dude. See it.
Yeah, look at that shine.
So shiny. Same thing on this one. Just gotta clip off that one tab. So I was replacing the lights on, what year is your car?
2010.
2010 535i.
It's a lot nicer than.
Tail lights, super quick. Took us about 15 minutes, tops.
Nice facelift. Woo!
Thanks for watching, guys.